Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to view each character's playtime in GTA 5. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to view each character's playtime in GTA 5. So the first thing you need to do is click on Escape. After clicking on Escape, you will be located here to Grand Theft Auto 5. And once you're here, you can click on right here, Stats. After clicking on Stats, click on General. And there you go. Here are all the playtime that you have played on your character. For example, mine, I've played on Franklin 8 hours. I played my character 8 hours and I played him in first person in 6 minutes only. Mission pass 44. And here are everything. And there you go. And you can also go down. Go. There. There you go. Now to see the others, just click on this. Right here. There you go, Trevor. I played 5 hours. And let's see, Michael. I've played 18 hours. So the longest player that I've played is Michael. So yeah, that's how you see your playtime on each character in GTA 5. And a little bit of a tip for you guys. To click, you don't have to click this. You just need to click the, as you can see there, the arrow to the right to switch the character that you want. For example, there we go. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.